Hi, my name is Professor Jeff Phillips, and I want to welcome you to BIB 221, The Relational God. I hope you enjoy taking this course. I know that I've thoroughly enjoyed designing it and teaching it. In this first video, I want to introduce you to the big picture. Not just the big picture of the course, but the big picture of the Bible, indeed, the big picture of all of reality. The purpose of this course is to take you through the entire Bible, from Genesis to Revelation, in one semester. In fact, all four of the core courses in the Bible minor here at ACU were designed this way. In lesson one of this course, you're going to do an exercise involving Psalm 90 in the Bible that introduces you to the idea that God is in charge of all of history, from the very beginning of the universe all the way to its final consummation in the future. The history of the world is God's story, and the Bible contains the unfolding of that story within its pages. The story of the Bible, God's story, contains four main parts. You could think of it as a play in the theater with four acts. Act 1, God creates all things. Act 2 is the fall of that creation through man's sin. The third act is God's redemption of his fallen creation. And the final act, which takes place in the future, is God's restoration of all things in a new creation, a new heavens and a new earth. One way that this story is developed through the pages of the Bible is according to a series of covenants that God successively reveals through time. Hence the subtitle of this course, A Study of the Divine Covenants. In Lesson 2, I'll introduce you to what a covenant is, the definition of covenant, and why covenant is so significant in the Bible. All you need to know now is that we will study 8 divine covenants that carry forth God's plan, His story for creation, fall, redemption, and new creation.